In front of me is Vivo IQOO 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, you need to access Tab menu. Now look for padlock icon with an arrow, and when you find it, tap on it. As you can see, mine is white and the padlock is red. That means that auto rotation is off. If you wish to turn it on, click on the same shortcut. Now you can always go into settings as well. Click on display and brightness and tap on this switcher next to portrait orientation lock. If it's blue, that means that auto rotation is off. If you want to turn it on, just click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!